Hi everyone, it's Holly here and back again this week with a special video, a brand new type video for my channel. I'm doing a vlog, a day with me. So I'm gonna take you to a hair appointment. I'm getting my hair done today. This is the end of the day, so I'm just introducing my day. You'll see my day up to this point tonight and what I had for dinner and just little things I did during my day and what I like to get up to and all of that. So don't forget to follow me here at holl_ward and on Instagram at the same handle so you don't miss any of my future upcoming vlogs. I have lots planned and lots in store, lots of exciting things happening. So I'm so happy to have you here and follow along. So I just parked. I'm going to see Kay at Salt Salon. She's gonna do my hair. I never plan what I want to do with my hair. I should, but I just always go off of how I feel that day or week or just in general. I make the best decisions when I just like don't overthink things and just feel them. So although last time I did that and I got some layers, and obviously she did a beautiful job. It's not that, it's just I wanted layers. I wanted to see if I liked layers in my hair, but I'm not sure I do. Like maybe if it's really long, but my hair is kind of like here right now. So I like a blunt cut, I think. I wasn't sure if I did, but I'm pretty sure that's what I like now. So you just have to figure it out. And I washed my hair last night because it was dirty and didn't put anything in it. So it's a poof. It's a poof ball. So I just put it up in a clip for my hair appointment. So I think my plan is to just, I'm not going to cut too high, even though I kind of want to have like a crisp blunt line. I do want to grow my hair out, I think. So that could change. I think I'm just going to do like an inch trim or 3/4 inch or whatever they do. I don't think I'm going to do any layers. I think I'm just going to not do layers. I like the blonde. I like my natural up top. So I might just do like a little, she kind of just like softly drags it through the hair. So I'll keep you posted. Next step in my day. How stunning is this hair? She does such an amazing job every time. She just does exactly what I want, and I never know how to even communicate it, but she just does it. I feel like that's so valuable finding in a hairdresser. And it didn't take that long. What time is that? I don't know what time it is. A couple hours. And so I decided I didn't want to get layers. So I just did a little trim. I love getting a trim. I just we chopped the ends like an inch or so. So I love like a nice blunt cut and just trimmed these front layers a little so they're clean. And then the blonde was doing really well. I like my natural color up here. So she just dragged a few pieces through, kind of freshened it up. And right now I go like every 3 months, but we were kind of like, I think I can go longer. Like when you have a blended hair color, you can go longer between hair appointments. So I'm gonna switch it to like 4 months, I think. Hair just does so well and looks good all the time it's like low maintenance hair. And then recently I was telling her, I was going through TikTok and like I have been searching to find a new way to style my hair and just didn't find exactly something that was perfect for me. And I came across a picture of Kylie and Kendall Jenner at a basketball game and their hair was so beautiful. So then I looked it up. Their hairdresser on TikTok posted a tutorial, how to do it, and I always try new hair techniques and buy new tools and all of that, and usually it just doesn't turn out how it looks like on them, or I don't love it as much. But I decided to try this one, and this is what ends up happening. It's like the perfect undone wave, and I was telling my hairdresser that, and she tried it. She hadn't done that on hair before and did it on mine, and now we're obsessed. I'm gonna be wearing this hairstyle all summer. I'm not sure when I'm posting this vlog on YouTube, but I will 100% be posting a tutorial on how to style your hair in this way. It's like the biggest news. in my world right now. So I'm gonna go home today. I'm gonna do some editing today. I want to get a YouTube video up, and I probably have like a couple errands I should run, like groceries and stuff, but I don't know if I feel like doing that today. I should, but I'm not sure if I will. And I have to go eat something. I haven't eaten today yet. It's like 1 o'clock. And I have a book I'm reading. I'm gonna enjoy my book, maybe go for a walk, put some sunscreen on, and just enjoy my day, getting some fun things done. So, next activity. So these are the books I'm reading right now. I just finished this one, The 7 Laws of Healing Your Inner Child. It's a small, thin book, but I'm really interested in that topic, and I found it to be a really nice read. Obviously, super easy being such a small book, but I really enjoyed it. And then the next book I got, I always have a book on the go. I have to have one ready, even if I don't have time to read it. Norma Kamali wrote this book. I just came across it. She's an amazing designer. She has like the most beautiful clothes, and this book kind of goes through all the stages in life, all the ages, and what she's learned and things she wants to share. So I think that's really interesting. I'm a nonfiction girl. I love biographies, autobiographies, self-development books. That's my thing. I just finished some editing here at home. I was sitting outside. It's such a beautiful day here. I had to enjoy the day as best I could. I read that book that I showed you guys, started the other one, and then I just had these in. I'm editing my most recent YouTube video that I'm currently putting them up Wednesdays and Saturdays or Sundays. I'm trying to stick to that schedule and do 2 a week now, and mix in my product reviews as well as these like blog style videos, like more me and my life and everything I like suggest, just sharing my life with you guys. So this is my second vlog. My first one, I did a trip vlog and I did my best, but I only had like a little bit of footage. So I'm trying to get more this time, and we're just going to get there. So I'm going to go on a walk, back and finish editing because it's Tuesday. So I have to have the video up tomorrow. I'm trying to be disciplined and stick to it. And I'm kind of refining like my intro and outro, trying to like find a pleasing looking and feeling video format so that they can kind of be similar. So that's kind of what I'm working on there. I also really should edit some of my Instagram photos because I'm really trying to match them all, get an aesthetic down. And I find if I do that ahead of time, I can just see things better rather than last minute and just do it the night before. So that's another goal I have. My place is like nice and clean. Luckily, I've cleaned it, so we're good there. I think I have to fold some laundry. Happy the nights are longer now. I can get so much more done in a day. I have to try to go to bed early tonight. I had a nap today though, so I'm gonna have to take a grab all. I have to like get up early tomorrow, so. In the middle of writing my Pilates instructor, written exams and practical exams. So I passed both of my written exams, the mat and reformer. So proud of myself. We're celebrating. And I still have to do my practical. I did part of my mat practical with a friend, but I have to submit another one where I actually go through and do a full Pilates routine with someone teaching. So I have to do just the reformer practical, and then I'll be a certified Pilates instructor. And that's kind of been my big thing I've been working on this winter. It's kept me very busy, but it's really nice to work towards something like that. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. I'm also dedicating a whole video on how my journey was in becoming a Pilates instructor, the course I took, tips I have along the way if you take the similar course, and what to expect, and just my experience with it, because it's kind of it's a cool journey. Pilates changed my life from various injuries, mental health too. Like, it just honestly is so amazing. I feel passionately about it. I'm happy to share that with people. I got a couple packages today, so I kind of wanted to unbox those with you guys or show you what they are. Let me do that. This little surprise when I came home. These were from a friend. Nike Y2K, around Y2K. They're rose gold. I'm gonna wear these on my walk. How adorable are these? I'm kind of dying over them. Yesterday I got this one. La Roche-Posay, we love that skincare. Make such better sunscreens now. Find like they feel like more like a lotion on your skin So I really like these. I really like the Vichy ones as well. I'm going to do a video on sunscreen dedicated because that's how passionate I feel about it. Not only do I want to protect myself from anti-aging, but both my parents had skin cancer. We're sun-worshipping family. And so I just have been wearing sunscreen religiously. My whole family does now. I really like these body ones, the Vichy, and I'm sure this one's the same. They just feel like a lotion on your skin, so it's easier to wear and doesn't feel so heavy on the skin. And then fluid ones I like to wear more on my upper body because it feels lighter, if that makes any sense. Beautiful as well, a new fragrance. You guys know I love fragrance. I could have sworn this said something else. So it already passed. I thought it was like the 30th or something. So it's already out. And it's like a summer fruity scent. It's called Rebel. Or it says it is. I haven't smelled it yet. This is my first time smelling. I'm gonna smell really good on my walk. It smells, all of these maker fragrances smell so expensive. Like they smell like a rich woman. That's what I just came to my mind, like a rich woman. This one is citrusy. A lot of fragrances are coming out with scents like this. The YSL Libre, the Dua Lipa one is also very citrusy. So I personally love that. It's like expensive citrus. So I'm really enjoying these scents. I'll probably do a review on this too. You know how I love doing my product reviews. So those are the packages I've gotten the last couple days. This week, I thought I could just do unboxing. That's part of my daily schedule. I always kind of do that. Go through packages and then get my recycling out and clean. I'm a clean nut. Everything has to be clean and organized or I just cannot live. So that has improved my life a lot, just being like that. So speaking of, I'm gonna recycle this box that attacked me. On my walk, I'm gonna smell really good on my walk. I'm gonna put comfy pants on. I might wear my new shoes on my walk. So I'll show you guys what those are looking like. We continue on with my day.
I'm a big walker. That's kind of what I do for my main cardio, mental health. I feel like it's just good for so many things. And sometimes I walk in the morning, but I think to wind down my day. In the summertime on this lake, it is so stunning. I love just taking in the beautiful view and being in nature and just having some time to myself. I feel so at peace just spending time with myself and reflecting on life and everything I'm grateful for. Grateful for you guys and this channel and just getting to do what I love and just enjoying every minute of it.
The sun is just going down here. It's so nice. I'm making myself some dinner. I'm a late dinner eater. I like eating at like 7, 8 at night. And I'm a night owl. So I'm doing girl dinner, girl food. That's how I eat in general. So I am actually barbecuing right now as we speak. So I'm going in and out. I'm going to show you guys what I'm making. I haven't made it in years, but I really was craving it. There are these vegetables that you can grill on the barbecue. I think I have some chicken in my freezer. I might have some of that with it for some protein, but these vegetables are so good and they're so easy to make. You just mix balsamic and olive oil. And I just use some herbs like oregano, rosemary, thyme. You can use any herb. And then you mix it up in a bowl and then you fry it in one of those pans. I'll show you guys outside. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is the pan you use, and then you just grill these. I like to use red onion, red pepper, and zucchini. And mix it around. It takes a little bit of time because it takes a while for vegetables to kind of soften. And voila, these are done vegetables. They look so good. That probably doesn't look as good to you, but they taste even better. It takes a while for those vegetables to soften. Like it might take 20 minutes, but I'm just kind of like going in and out. It's like a pleasant night. And there's some of my neighbors, they have like a really nice place. They're playing this like really nice jazz music outside, and it just feels so luxe and summery. It's like such a beautiful night. So I'm happy to be grilling outside because I can enjoy that music too, and share a little recipe with you guys. My first recipe that I'm sharing. That's what I'm up to for dinner. I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I'm gonna finish editing, and then I just want to like enjoy my night and relax, watch some Netflix. And I have early morning tomorrow, so I'm gonna hopefully go to bed early tonight. But yeah, I just kind of want to sit and enjoy my night, enjoy my vegetables and whatever else I have. Here it's loud outside. Oh, I have to have a shower too. Shower, bath, something like that I'll probably have. But thank you for following along with me on a day with me. I will definitely be doing more of these. I actually had fun doing this. I just have to like make a day to do it. And often my days are different, so that's kind of cool. I can make different focuses for my days. Don't forget to like this video and follow me here at holl_ward. I post every single week here on YouTube, Wednesdays and the weekend, Saturday or Sunday. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at the same handle over there. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.